Hi, and thank you for tuning in to this new trip report. In this video today, we'll be flying with Transavia on their Boeing 737 between Barcelona and Rotterdam. Unfortunately, I had no lounge access today, so I had to get myself a coffee from the Burger King. But in the meantime, I did have an amazing view on the runway, watching other planes, including my own, arrive. During the 15-minute taxiway, I got to see a great number of beautiful aircraft, like the Singapore Airbus A350 in almost 360 degrees. Anyway, it's time to take off. With Transavia being a low-cost carrier, they work with the buy on board principle. Have a look at the menu here. Some food items were decently priced. I tried out their sausage roll, for which I paid €3.80, and it was fairly good. This particular aircraft, a Boeing 737-700, is with over 15 years one of the oldest in their fleet. The legroom was way below average, and my knees touched the seat in front of me at all times. The interior of the aircraft seemed not to be refitted ever since the plane was delivered. and the armrests were still fitted with ashtrays, even though smoking on planes was banned over 20 years ago.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we slowly started our descent towards Rotterdam Airport. Cruising altitude today was 11.5 kilometers, and at this moment we are flying in the northern part of France, about 100 kilometers south of Lille. After that we continue towards Ghent in Belgium, and then it's almost to Rotterdam. The landing time will be on schedule, 5 minutes to 12.
Anyway, on such a short flight for only 40 euros, there's not much you complain about, right? This flight was everything you can expect from a cheap flight, and honestly, I enjoy all time I can spend up in the air. Thanks a lot for watching this trip report. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week.